we're gonna change the carpet. See how far we can get on it. I can't fully install it because we still got our seats to put in and all, but I can get it in. That way it'd be out of my way, and I'll just fold it over as we work. So here we go with it. We'll get on. It has some sound barrier already stuck to the floor, so we're not worried about adding any more. And I think there's some on a new carpet that'll actually go into the seats here. We'll see, or I may stick one on there after we get the seats done up. That other carpet plug, I think, is missing. Get some of this out of the way here. I felt something sharp there. I guess I didn't. Alright, so I didn't retie that wire back up after I messed with it the other day. So let me get it. Let me see where it is, where it's got to go. I'm just going to shove it up in here right now. Get it out of the way. Oh, just a minute. Let me go look at something.
Your next video one.
Oh, yeah, maybe. We'll do one, maybe. Yeah, we'll do one. All right. Let's see. Turn around one time this way. Now we'll be driving it backwards. We don't want to drive it backwards. What I'll do when I put them seats in here, I'll finish laying it down. But for right now, she'll be in here so she can start laying flat and all, you know what I mean? Don't worry about all the stuff on it. When I got the carpet, it had about 4 or 5 different colors in it, like wherever they made it at or packaged it. Must have been a bunch on the shelf there or something, on the table. I don't know. And I cleaned it off once. Some, not all of it. Alright, so I'm gonna go underneath this. Okay, it does have the fold for the back. That's good. I think it does. Let me grab my knee board. I still got to fix this surface over here. I can get that done though. Ain't nothing to all that. Okay, now keep sliding forward. Keep on sliding it forward and over. Forward and over. There goes. Oh, there's that plug. I pull it out of here. I got some, if I can't get it out, I got something there to get it out with. Yeah, because I can't plug it anyway until I get it where I want it. Okay. Come around there and set that aside. Come way over. Way over and up. Oh yeah. Gonna be nice in here. Come a little bit further up. That's it right there. That's where she went there, but I'm going to just lay it in here where it'll start laying flat on me. That's all we're going to do. There's a corner. These actually go down here. What am I doing here? All right, come on. It's got to go right here, and that'll just touch that back there in the back. That'll work out good. So we'll let that start laying down. It's best to get it in here or set it outside when it's hot and let it relax, but it'll start relaxing time I get back to it. Here's these way over here. They go right here. That's gonna be pretty close match right there. I like that it goes up over the edge. The other one didn't, the factory. And then looks like we're gonna be trimming off the front. So this is a corner right here. It goes way up here. And then those will fall right where my seat belt is and where the old seat went in. And this is your crease for the back. So let's let that set in here for, it's gonna be 70s and not 70s. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like 40s and 20s. So I just want to get this in here so it'll start relaxing. That'll work out too good right there. It's up as far as it needs to go there, but that's where you'll do your cuts at, because they made it long that way. Because all this will go, here's your corner. Your corner will go where it goes. With your corner where it's supposed to be. These are right on top of the bolt holes for your seat belts and the bench seat. Okay, so you're looking at probably, of course this will go up under here where your heels will be at. So it's probably about a 4-inch length on it. So with that corner here and it laid out, this is cut just enough to hit this back, which will work good. But I just want it where it'll lay down because I'll have to fold it over to finish putting the seats in and all. But it's been wired up in a bag, gosh, probably 4 or 5 months. Leave that crease in it. That crease is fine. I'll do that. But hey, it's coming on. What y'all think? I still gotta pull the cluster out, plug it back in. I still ain't done that yet. A few things I gotta get caught up on and get her done. This will lay down when I pull it forward. Oh, it's rounded right there. Yeah, so it's melted around to make that bend. So yeah, we'll pull it forward, make sure it all fits down flat. But I want to get it, it'll take a few days for it to kind of relax. Maybe, well, I know it ain't gonna heat up none, but she'll start laying down. But hey, we got it in here, almost. Ain't got nothing to cut that off with. It's where the carpet was put together in the bag, I guess, or the paper on it. But anyway, there we are. Got started on the carpet. Now to get the carpet on in. Probably do that next warm-up day. By that time it should be relaxed, because I think one day next week I like 4 days for another warm day. Then I'll side it up, cut it where it's going to fit. We won't install it like our threshold and the carpet holder, because the threshold ain't got nothing to do with it. It just sticks down on your rocker. So, but your little holder here, it'll crimp all that down where it's supposed to go. So anyway, we're started on it. We're getting it done, huh? We're gonna get it done, one way or another. All that matches the doors and all. Matches that door from here. The lighting is perfect here. Lighting a little brighter. Man, that thing is perfect over there. But we'll do a video when we get done with it. But hey, that's another step. We're getting closer and closer to being done with the interior. Don't like much. Mounting the console and the seats. And we'll be ready to see what's happening. All right. I'll see you on a little bit. Y'all get a chance, go over and look, check out Bryce deCastro's channel. He got that Ford he working on there. He calls Frankenstein. Real good channel, real fun to watch. Check him out. His link will be down in the description box there if you want to go check him out.